What's good, YouTube? It's your boy BG Tech Life, and guess what, guys? We've got a flat display on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So it's time for your boy BG never does screen protectors. It's time for me to start really getting into screen protectors because guess what? They should be way easier to install now, last longer, just like when you do it on the iPhone or any device with a flat display. So shout out to the good folks over at Taurus. They sent your boy out some cases, but first and foremost, they sent me out some screen protection, so we're going to check it out. As you can see, typical black Torres boxing. We got built to protect, bubble-free tech, scratch-resistant, silky touch, fingerprint-proof design. And we calling this the Diamond Shield screen. Slide the whole tray out like so. And basically, we're just going to open this up, guys, and we're going to have a whole bunch of contents with some screen protectors and things that we need to install. So this is what I like, guys. Very simple with the frame. Easy with the frame. You got the frame already there, so you don't have to line it up yourself. And we got some contents that's probably going to be like cleaning up. As you can see, wet wipe, cleaning cloth, dust absorber, dust removal tool. So one thing you guys need to know as I'm looking at this, you want to install the screen protector, then you want to redo your fingerprint scanner. Redo the fingerprint scanner after you install any like tempered glass screen protector. It'll make your life much easier. Okay, so this has got to be one of the easiest tempered glass screen protector installations. I watched the video, checked it out. What I got to do is clean the screen, and then we're going to snap this on like so and pull down on the sticker, and it should be a good install. Okay, so we got the Taurus tempered glass installed, guys, and I mean, look at this. As you can see, no bubbles. Probably one of the easiest installs I ever did. I love how they got the template so it can line it up with the phone. Very easy install, guys. They even have a video. I did it quick, easy installs. You can see no bubbles. Let's try the fingerprint scanner. Fingerprint scanner works. So shout out to Taurus for sending out this. This is one of probably the easiest and best tempered glasses that I've used. No bubbles, and I'm not a guy that's good at putting these on. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'll put a link down in the description. I'm out. Peace.